Next one up is this lovely BMW R1250 GS. This is the HP edition. We have done this once before. He had a new bike package, oh my, it must have been 8 months ago now. He has since been on a long trip around Europe, got caught in loads of rain. So this is in for one of our full Monty valets. We'll get this all minted up. Get a bit of extra protection on a few bits and pieces. He did have the ceramic when we did it last time, so we don't need to put any ceramic on it. It just needs a good degreasing, decontaminating, and a good coating of XCP. We'll probably get this windscreen polished up. It's got a few marks on it, and this headlight cover, they scratch so easily. We'll get all that done, get it looking like it should. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. This BMW 1250 GS HP has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. It's had one of our legendary full Monty valets, degreased, decontaminated. Everything's been XCP'd afterwards. We use the Ultimax Trimex on all the plastics, which is a ceramic option, so that's all been prepped up again. Did the polish on the bodywork there. Like I said, this had the full ceramic treatment not too long ago, so just needed a bit of a once over. All those wheels have been meticulously cleaned, exhaust is polished, everything's been XCP'd afterwards, all the windscreen's been polished. 2 hours on the dot. Get yours booked in now. 07966 249 963.